I present to you the undefeated, the man of the match, the man of the moment. They call him the people's governor. They call him the diaspora governor. They call him the modern days Messiah. They call him the man of the moment. They call him the helper to the less privileged. They call him PSB, President's Street Boys Association of Nigeria. The only man that has given hope to the hopeless in Edo State. The only man that feed the poor. The only man that make change possible in Edo State. The only man that puts smiles to the faces of widows and the downtrodden in Edo State. He's also the president of the Godsend Foundation, the president of the Godsend family worldwide. No other person than Ambassador Dion Osagie. This match is going to be a memorable one between the Chief Ambassador Dion Osagie and Bush Lion. This match is going to be a friendly match between Ambassador Dion Osagie and #1 contender Bush Lion. Let's see what Ambassador Dion Osagie have to say about this.
Yeah, this is Dion Osagie reporting live from Lagos, Nigeria. Reporting live from Lagos, Nigeria. Dion Osagie reporting live from Lagos, Nigeria. Yes. Want to check the gate, man? Prince. Reporting live from Lagos, Nigeria. This is a direct message to Bush Lion. It is so easy for anybody to be behind the camera, making noise every day, talking trash on people, saying things you want to do and things you can't do. It's a big challenge. I am putting down 1 million naira, 1 million naira each. Let's do a charity UFC. I want to do a charity UFC with Bush Lion. Bush Lion, I understand that you are in Edo State, in Benin City. When I get to Benin City, I'm challenging you. I want to make you more popular, man. I want to make it more popular. I'm challenging you to a 1 million naira UFC fight, charity UFC. If you win me, go ahead and donate the money to your charity, the charity of your choice. All right? I'm ready to whoop your ass, bro. I know that you are an active or retired US military, but don't worry. With all your training, I'm going to whoop your ass. So it's a big challenge for you to take the offer. Take the offer. Let's set a date. Bring your family. I'll bring my family and friends. Let them watch. I really want to whoop your ass, bro. I mean, that's the truth. Because real men don't make a lot of noise like coins. Real men, real money don't make noise. It's coins that make noise. So if you know you're up for the fight, send us a message. It's a friendly match. I want my people to be there. Your people can be there. I want to whoop your ass for being so stupid. I really want to whoop your ass. So since you are in Edo State, there's no perfect time to do it. I'm putting down 1 million naira. You put down 1 million naira. Let's get a referee, man. Let's hit the boxing ring.
Can it be referee now?
No, we're gonna get a professional referee. We're gonna get a professional referee. So start training, man. Because my brother.
You know I'm your papa. When you see me, oh ya go saba. Dapo ma je kanja, kasara bi eni gba blanja. Ogata, agagbowo pasa. Yeah, owó tutu wọlé eré akari. Abokida Allah, akali. Wọ́n ní 200 pay lọ́gbó lóṣù. Àwọn tèmi ti rọ̀ tó ti kóbó. Oṣù kòkó ṣùgbọ́n lágò Mont Blanc. Ìgò Versace lọ́sọ̀ gangan. Chanel No. 5 mo ta sánsan. Ọjà dáàdì gidi gangan. Me I know this.
Me, I know this. Me, I know this. Me, I know this.
Send this to that ugly looking guy, man. Tell him that I said that I want to have a UFC fight with him. He's my brother. Family is always going to be family, but I want to whoop his ass for being such an idiot. Not to be online. Not be today online. They make noise. They say that so this one. If you know you are a man, bring out your 1 million naira. I'll bring out my 1 million naira. We find a private coach or a private referee. I will give you time to train. We can do this weekend. Take your time, go and train. I'll do my training. We put the 1 million naira down. If I beat your ass, I take the money. If you beat my ass, you take the money. It's a challenge. It's a challenge. Can young people be online making noise every day? No, you want to fight? Let's get to the floor, the boxing ring. I want to see where your power is. For your information, stay, if you know you're not going to do this fight, don't be in the same environment as me. Because over the past, you have used threatening word on me so many times. If I see you, I'm going to attack. So please, just stay in your lane, stay far away from me, or take the fight. And that's the way it is. Take the fight, take the fight, take the fight. Take the fight, man. Bush Lion, man up.
They want to follow me. Grace follow me. Eruku follow me. Wiji from their village want to follow me.
Fisi dada joto. Rọra ránṣọ mọ́ má tẹ̀mọ́ epo lolo. Sọ fún wọn jọgbọ́. Let them know jọmọ. Ọjà dádì mo ti ń gbowó láti 94 jọ. Owó tuntun wọlé àkárí. Àbókídà Allah àkárí. Wọ́n ní 200 pé lọ́gbó lóṣù. Àwọn tèmi ti rọ̀ tó ti kóbó. Oṣù tó ṣùgbẹ́ lágbo mọ̀ nǹkan. Ìgò Versace lọ́sọ̀ gbọ̀ngàn. Ṣàjọ̀dọ̀ mọ́ fàdí ká sọ̀sọ̀. Ìgbọ̀jà dádì ibẹ̀ gbọ̀ngàn.
Me, I know this. Me, I know this. Me, I know this. Me, I know this.
You know you rock the best. It's the DJ Accurate.
We don't fight fair, man. We don't fight fair. We don't fight fair, man. Because we get to understand that it doesn't matter how you kill your enemy. In 2020, I have said it, it's going to be a brutal year. If you cross my lane, I am going to take the charge. If you cross my lane, I am going to take the charge. And that's what it is going to be. You understand? I am going to take the charge. If you cross my lane, if you threaten me, if you act like a bully, I am also going to bully you. Not online, in real life. Challenge to Bush Lion. Huh? Who be that? See who's in the gate. Don't open gate for anybody. Yeah, are you expecting anyone? Okay, the cleaner. All right. So it's a big challenge. Yes, Joseph, find a charity. But me, if I win, I'm going to support my charity, which I know that I'm going to win. Most people who act like women online, they can't do nothing. All right. 2020 is brutal. If you act up, if you threaten me, if I see you, I will poke out your eyes. Because I have to defend myself. If you are threatening that if you see me, you're going to kill me, that you're going to do this, if I see you, the first thing I will do to you is attack you. It's just the way it is. So send this message to him that I have offered 1 million naira as a challenge. UFC challenge. A charity is a charity cause that is one for everywhere for the world. Charity costs 1 million naira. If you think you can whoop my ass, come up with your 1 million naira. I'll do the same. We can do this on Saturday. We can do this on Saturday. All right? That's it, man. One love.